How to make money with your music, part 3. You need to use what's considered a BIS. And you've probably never heard of this before, but it is a brand identity statement. Consider your music business a dart. Imagine that the world's population on a big dartboard on the wall. Dartboards depict different demographics: rap, pop, R&B, etc. So here's the key. When you're marketing your music, you obviously want to aim for the bullseye of the dartboard that are representing your ideal fans. Duh, right? Well, here's the thing, is that if you send tailored messages to potential fans anywhere, blogs, online magazines, podcasts, any websites, all that stuff, you're going to be reaching those fans. And all this research is for a reason. Once you know your ideal fans, you can identify what media they like. And then you can send targeted messages through that media or in similar forms of media. Most independent artists actually promote their music wrong. Number one, they throw darts randomly at a dartboard and accomplish very little. They're not hitting the right person. Number two, they aim their dart at the right demographic, but the message, the music, the way it's presented, and the brand is too weak and poorly set up, so it doesn't stick, and neither do the people. The answer to this is to create that BIS. A BIS is a brief yet powerful statement of 15 words or fewer that summarizes your song's image, brand, or record label. And if you could crush up every single good thing about your music in less than 15 words, you'd have your BIS. And you want to include a benefit in your BIS. For example, Domino's fresh hot pizza delivered to your door in 30 minutes or less. It's basically an elevator pitch, right? Think about M&M's. Melts in your mouth, not in your hands. Okay, those are two traditional BISs, and that one's only 8 words. Brand identity statements have 2 uses, okay? Internal and outward. Internal and outward. Internal BIS focuses your marketing message. When you compose a news release, schedule a photo shoot, music video, or you're about to do an interview or a podcast, or even create an album cover, you're bringing your vision on your core brand. For example, your album art cover should not be funny if you make serious music, right? So a BIS keeps your marketing message consistent. Just for you, in case you didn't know, in the description below, I have over 150 courses. I do one-on-one live calls and build blueprints and strategies out for artists like you who may need it. And I also do music promotion. But on top of that, you want to get some free downloads from Smart Rapper? All you got to do, click the link in the description. Keep hustling. I'll see you at the top.